As much as we are talking about the safety of our schools, now there's a new threat, the cyber threat, the psychological warfare that is now beginning to take a different form, which can lead to a lot of scars. It can lead to a lot of suicide. It can lead to a lot of depression. As you deliberate, let's not just focus on the element of armed conflict. Let us realize that technology has now come with its challenges. As we embrace it, how do we make sure that our schools are safe with this new, silent partner? I didn't say enemy, I said partner. Because technology is our partner. But the question then, do all partners come with good intentions? That's the question we may want to ask ourselves. So let's dedicate some time to that, to just focus on that threat that comes with the new technologies that we have.